Danfoss Turbocor is the first magnetic levitation bearing and variable speed-driven centrifugal compressor in the world. It's composed of two-stage centrifugal compression, magnetic bearings, synchronous brushless DC motor, inverter control, motor and bearing control. Rotor and impeller is the only moving part which ensures high reliability and meanwhile high compression efficiency. Danfoss Turbocor is the first to successfully introduce intelligent magnetic levitation bearings in compressor application, which consists of radial and axial bearings. Permanent magnets do most of the suspension work and electromagnets are used as a trim. This makes the rotor run without any mechanical friction and maintains high efficiency. Electromagnetic levitation bearings are powered by pulse width modulation amplifiers with the help of 4 capacitors to provide timing adjustment. The bearing and sensors communicate and reposition the shaft 6 million times a minute and keep tolerances of less than 7 microns. Magnetic levitation bearings make it possible to provide a totally oil-free design for air conditioning units. The system eliminates all limitations caused by lubricant oil and makes the unit run with high performance, saving more than 50% in maintenance costs. All new designs for high reliability are embedded in Danfoss Turbocor. If small objects are sucked into the compressor, the auto balance feature of the bearings is able to keep the shaft precisely in the center of the bearings. In the case of power outages, the motor turns into a generator and charges the 4 capacitors such that the motor can come to a controlled stop and delevitate as normal. In the event of central controller failure, touchdown bearings are used to prevent contact between the rotor and other surfaces in order to protect the compressor. Danfoss Turbocor is equipped with the latest variable speed drive technology, which realizes a stepless capacity control ranging from 30 to 150 tons. With this technology, Danfoss Turbocor can adjust itself accurately to match the load and operating conditions for maximum efficiency, saving money for owners. Danfoss Turbocor is the world's first truly smart compressor. Up to 150 points of performance and reliability information are digitized. At the same time, the communication protocol is open so that the chiller can fully utilize all the digital information, creating a fantastically intelligent air conditioning system. Danfoss Turbocor creates an entirely new era for heating, ventilation, air conditioning and refrigeration. Super high efficiency. IPLV can reach 9.55, 40% higher than conventional chillers. High reliability. Multi-dimensional high reliability design, ensuring long-term reliable operation in most situations. Long-term high efficiency. Totally oil-free design eliminates friction loss and oil pollution, giving tremendous savings in operating and maintenance costs. Free extension. It's very convenient to realize modularization with 150-ton Turbocor compressors so as to satisfy the needs of most different applications. Super silence. Thanks to active vibration suppressing control, there's no structure-borne vibration and less gas pulsation. The chiller can operate with a sound level less than 70 decibels, which makes it possible to maximize the business value of the underground floors in commercial buildings. Lower electric investment. Danfoss Turbocor only draws 2 amps to start, which lowers the inrush strike on the grid and therefore reduces investments on electrical protection. Convenient for delivering and installation. Danfoss Turbocor is 1/5 of the weight and half of the size of competing compressors, making it easy to deliver, install and maintain. Environment friendly. Danfoss Turbocor uses R134A, an environmentally friendly refrigerant, protecting our Earth. Danfoss is a global component producer and solution provider in refrigeration and air conditioning, heating and motor control areas, with a history of over 70 years. With more than 60 modern factories, 100 branch companies and representative offices, and 20,000 employees all over the world, we produce 250,000 products every day and provide each customer with professional services. The Turbocor compressor is the world's first totally oil-free and variable speed-driven compressor specifically designed for the heating, ventilation, air conditioning and refrigeration industry. It represents the future of 21st century compressor technology. We're committed to creating an ever beautiful life for you.